First, we'll see what is thermodynamics. In that, we'll spread the word thermodynamics. In this term is distributed in thermodynamics. In this thermo indicates heat. What it indicates? It indicates heat. In that there is energy. In heat there is a energy. Then in dynamics there is a motion. In dynamics there is a motion or moving. Dynamics deals with motion or moving. Now see here, heat energy. Energy means what? The energy we transfer from one end to another end. One end to another end. In terms of electrons, okay. In terms of electrons, now we'll see the energy transfer from one to two is called as thermal. Okay. Then now see here next point, that is motion or dynamics. Next point is dynamics. We'll see some example for dynamics. We'll see some example for dynamics. If first electrons, this motion or moving, it depends upon electrons. When electrons, it moves, when electron it get moves, then we can say that it is electrodynamic. Okay, we can say when electron it get moves, then it create or it comes in electrodynamic. Now, if this electron is stationary, if this electron is stationary, then it is a electrostatic. Then it is a electrostatic. When it moves, it is a electrodynamic in the form, and in electrons where it is stationary, it is a electrostatic. Now we'll see in dynamic. First, when moves electron moves, it comes in dynamic. Electrons move, it comes in dynamic. Now, second point, that is electron, it's stationary. Electron is stationary, then it comes in thermostat. See here, when electrons moves from, it comes in dynamic. When the electrons are stationary, it comes in thermostat. It is a common difference between dynamic and thermostatics. Okay. How these electrons moves? These electrons moves by dielectric fluid, by giving supply to the system. Okay. Then we'll see the next point in that it is in thermodynamics. Okay. In this thermodynamics, it all depends upon heat or energy. Thermodynamic subject, it depends upon heat and energy. In this, we'll give some one example. See here, if it is a matter, what is this? It is a matter. In this matter, there are, we can say it is a fluid. In this matter, we can say it is a fluid. This fluid indicates by white dot. But in this matter, we can say it is a invisible. Invisible fluid. We can say it is a invisible fluid. That is, we can say it is called as electron. It is called as electron in science. In science, we can say the example. See here, if it is a hot water and cold water, indicates by a tank, both has tank, and both water comes together. Okay, the both water comes together and form a one substance. That is, this hot and medium will come in each other, and we can say it is a equal. Okay, now understood how the electron is carried in heat and energy while transfer. Now we'll see next point in introduction. That is, dynamics deals with science. Okay, in this science, it deals with energy. Science, it deals with energy, and science or thermodynamics, it deals with the science. Now, this energy is in the two form. Okay. Then first is microscopic. First one is microscopic, and here is microscopic. microscope and microscope, microscope. Okay, this microscope it deals with this microscope it deals with quantum. It deals with quantum. Okay, it deals with quantum, and this microscopic it deals with this microscopic it deals with thermodynamics. It deals with thermodynamics. Okay. Now see here in this in quantum it deals with atom. It deals with or it clears the picture of atomic. Quantum it deals with or it is a science of atomic picture in physics and chemistry. Okay. Then now see here dynamic. In this dynamic, it has large number of particles. It has large number of it has large number of particles. That is, we'll say energy at starting point and energy at finish point. Means the energy available at starting point and the energy at end point or finished point. We can state or we can state or we can say it is a initial state. It is a initial state. You can say it is an initial state to the final final state. Initial state to the final state. It deals with thermodynamics. Now we can also say the thermodynamics it is a reagent energy. What is it is? Thermodynamics it is a reagent energy to the finished product or product energy. It is a reagent energy to the finished product to the, or product energy. Okay, understood this? The introduction to the thermodynamics. Thank you for watching this video.